Hello and welcome. This is Marisol and welcome to my December Project Life pages. For this month, I'll be using this kit by Ali Edwards, Stories by the Month. There's the chipboard. Let's see, let's do the 3x4 cards. So totally ready to move on to the next year, looking back, what I want to remember. Always something to document. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. December details, saying goodbye, saying hello. And the story. Weekend adventure. Embrace the glorious mess that you are. Other stuff happens in December besides Christmas. Here's one thing. Our story may have any number of endings, but its start is a singular choice we make today. This year was... Here's the stamp set. And the word strips, which have that pretty green color as the font color. And then these awesome wood veneers. Santa's hat, Santa's hat, a present, and a star. If you would like to see how I use this kit in this month's pages, stick around.
As I was setting up my pictures in the page protectors, I realized that the 2019 Stories by the Month kit wasn't going to be enough, that I needed to supplement the 4x6 cards and the 3x4 cards with another kit from Ali Edwards, which is the 2018 Stories by the Month kit. This is what is being shown right now. Those are not my hands. Those are the lovely hands of my little girl, Claudia, who has been eagerly waiting to appear in my videos, and so I let her show you guys the 2018 kit that I will be using in addition to the 2019 kit. And stick around for the completed pages.
I finished the December pages for 2019, and let me show you what I have left from the two kits that I used. I used the Stories by the Month 2019 and 2018. I have most of the chipboard set left, the stamp set, which I didn't use, all of the word strips, and two of the 4x6 cards, and most of the 3x4 cards. From the 2018, oh, and I forgot, I didn't use these wood veneers. This one here, as you can see, I used glitter gold embossing powder, but I didn't end up using the star on the layouts. And this heart here I think I'm going to keep and use in a different project. I usually keep kit elements together even after I use them for a little while, but for that one I'm going to use for February. Anyhow, this is what I have left for 2018. The stamp set, which I did not use, a couple of the 3x4 cards. I noticed that I don't use a lot of the quote cards. My albums tend to be picture heavy, and I don't use the 4x6 cards. I usually put a picture in those slots. And the entire chipboard set from 2018. So let me share the pages with you. I kept things fairly simple, continuing to follow along the formula for the other months, which is a 9x12 to start the month and a 9x12 to end the month, with different sized page protectors in between. And let's see, design wise, I just used these cork pieces in a visual triangle. I used my computer, my Photoshop program, for the journaling, and I used the red strips in a visual triangle there, and I have a visual triangle here. Christmas was nice. It was a good balance between relaxation and activity. This is one of my favorite pictures of my son. He was so curious about Elfie Bob, the elf, this year. This green color was really pretty, and I have it here, 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 and over here. You'll see that I also used elements from my December daily stash throughout these pages. I was so excited when I was done because I was able to put everything away. I'm done over with December. Here I have a 6x8 insert, a couple of pictures, and some journaling. Same thing there. This here, let me shift over so you guys can see a little better, is a page protector that I created using the Fuse tool. I created something like this in my 6x8 December Daily album, but in that album it is an accordion fold page protector. Here I'm using it as is, meaning that I'm not folding it, and I really like that the design of the different sizes there. I like having this 3x8 right down the middle, and I think I'll be doing this in 2020 for sure. I like this size divided page protector. And then this is what the back side looks. I also used the, what was it called? Celebrate Story Kit, which had this beautiful gold foil, and it matched this enamel pin from the December Daily supplies. For this, I created my journaling in Photoshop. I did the same here, and I cut out the strips and then just adhered it to the 3x8 page there. Here's another insert. One of the things I did try to do was make sure I didn't repeat the same configuration of insert, and I did a good job with that. Just some more pictures and journaling with very minimal embellishments. These enamel pins are so darn beautiful. I hope she makes more of them. Here I have a flip up. This I made last year, 2018 maybe, using deco foil. And if you're interested in seeing how I made that, you can see my December Daily 2018 foundation pages, because I'm pretty sure that's when I made that. Here's the wood veneer star that was in the 2019 Stories by the Month kit, and I used a gold glitter embossing powder. I'm just gonna see if I find that for you guys. Oh, it's from Zing, and I keep it inside this little container from Dollar Tree. And I really like the way it came out. I don't know if you can tell how much glitter there is, but it's pretty glittery. And then this is the last page for December, using a 9x12 3x4 configuration. Have some, what are those, chipboard pieces there. And then that's it. Again, more typed journaling, which took forever, but I like it because it gives me more opportunity to really write what I want to say. When I'm using a pen straight to paper, I don't know, I feel rushed, and there's no room for error, really. So I really like the typed journaling for that reason. And then this is the last page. For the last page of the album, I decided I wanted to use the list kit from Allie Edwards, and what I did was I just put in our top 5 sum of our top memories from the year, which was my son's engagement, our 25th anniversary, my son's first communion, my daughter's first musical, and our epic trip to Puerto Rico. I just listed those things out, and then on this card I listed a few more major events that happened in 2019. And that's it, you guys. I am done. I am so darn proud of myself. I haven't finished an entire December or an entire Project Life album in lots of years. I mean, I guess I could look back and see, but it's been a while since I've completed an entire album. If you guys are interested in seeing a walkthrough of my album, my 2019 album, leave me a comment below and let me know, and I will film a walkthrough video for you guys. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate the time that you spent today on my channel, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. Bye.